What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while since I last uploaded. Life has been hectic. Life has been crazy. The weather has not cooperated whatsoever. And I've just been running into nothing but setbacks. But, you know, here we are. Today's a good day. And I just wanted to give a huge shout out, huge thank you to AWE Exhaust. They have been one of the most generous sponsors I've ever dealt with. Not only did they send me one catback, they sent me two. Let me explain. So I was driving my car the other day. I'm just gonna chalk it up as my fault. So driving my car the other day, my exhaust falls off. Don't ask me how, no idea. So I lost my mid pipe, my catback, everything fell off, went into the bushes, got all kinds of destroyed and messed up. And I actually went back and picked it up off the side of the road. I have it over here. I'll show you guys in a minute. But yeah, it was not fun. And I'm just glad the car didn't get hurt. Nobody else got hurt. Nobody else got damaged. So, you know, I was very upfront with them and I just told them the truth. I was like, hey, I messed up. Could have been my fault. And the exhaust just fell off. Is there anything you guys can do for me to send me maybe just replacement parts? Because I have the tailpipes and like the axle back section. I just didn't have the mid pipe and the resonator section. So they were extremely generous and actually sent me out replacement parts for that. So they sent me the brand new full 3-inch H pipe that is available for the S650 and it is now going to be available for the S550 as well. So I'm really excited about that, and I think it'll bolt right up to my Hellion stuff. So that's gonna be kind of cool. And it is the AWE track catback, so you know, just no mufflers, no nothing. It's gonna sound really good. And I did have it on there before, so if you guys follow me on Instagram, you see me post about it. Really quality exhaust, and I really like it. And I'm excited to get it back on the car because right now I just have basically where my dumps were before, and is stupid loud and has no tone driving around. Until you floor it, then it sounds good, but just cruising around, it is not fun. The whole inside just vibrates and rattles everything. It's just crazy. But I'm gonna try to go through some of the unboxing of the new stuff that AWE sent out. Of course, it's raining right now. It's nighttime. I'm not trying to back my car out in the driveway. Let it get rained on, even though it does need a bath. It's pretty dirty, but yeah, I'm gonna try to unbox that stuff, go over it with you guys, and hopefully we can install it. So let's go. Real quick, I'm also in the middle of swapping on my 1320 Junkie ported Boss 302 manifold. It is on right now. We got all the vacuum situated. I am gonna redo a lot of this stuff. I know it does not look the best right now, but I am going to clean it all up eventually, very soon. I wanna do all of the push connect fittings for the vacuum lines that go to both turbos and wastegates, back up to my vacuum block, which is over here. And then I have my 3-port boost solenoid right there as well. I want to clean up a lot of the stuff under here, really make it look good, because with these Gen 3s, there's just a lot going on, a lot of wires, a lot of hoses, and my OCD kicks in and I just want it really nice, that's all. But yeah, the Boss is on, it looks great. Except for this, I do need a new rubber coupler. I have one coming in from Amazon. No, I haven't been driving it like this. I just started it. That was it. So I know this one does not fit. This is very temporary. I have a coupler coming in from Amazon. Should be here in about a day and a half. So that'll be swapped out. This will be perfect. Oh, and then I have to cut the stock hood. I'll be cutting the stock hood. Nothing too crazy for people that run the Gen 3s. To fit the Boss manifold, you have to either buy adjustable motor mounts so you can lower the engine just a little bit, or you can just cut the stock hood, and that's what I'm doing. I'm just gonna cut the stock hood, and when I mean cut, you don't have to really like do too much cutting or modifying. You just literally have to just cut a little rectangle right over here, and when you shut it, it'll be perfect. I just gotta make sure I don't go too far and actually cut through the whole hood, but I should be okay. I'm gonna take the whole hood off. I'm gonna trace it out with a marker. I'll put it on some horses and then, you know, do my cut, throw the hood back on, and all will be well. But yeah, that's what I've been up to. Ported Boss. What else? Ported boss. Excuse my garage. It's a mess right now. I did put these side skirts on. Side skirts are pretty sweet. They're from Liquid Vinyl. Hope I'm saying it right. But you guys should check those guys out as well. They've also been a pleasure to deal with. They fit pretty good. Give it a nice little more aggressive appearance on the side. I dig it. I like it a lot. They were very easy to install as well. I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, it's been pretty boring. This winter sucked. Between the snow, the rain, the cold temperatures, haven't really been able to do much with the car, but that should change here soon. Hopefully it starts getting a little warmer out. And then recently we just had a snowstorm, and the roads are just destroyed with salt, and this car won't leave the garage when it's like that. But anyway, enough of me blabbing. Let's go open the AWE. Shout out to those guys. They really know how to package an exhaust, that's for sure. Holy crap. All right, so here we go. Here is the full 3-inch on both end H-pipe, which I'm hoping just goes right on, because the last one I had to modify just a little bit with my Hellion stuff, but this looks like it'll just slide right on. So this is pretty sweet. Welds look great. Piping looks great. Hell yeah. Let's keep digging in here. All right, so this is the resonated section. Pretty sweet. Got the hangers on there. Very nice. And the other one. So, as you can see, it's pretty straight through, which is what those turbos like. So that's nice. Put that right there. And then, nice bunch of new clamps, stickers, and a lollipop. AWE is awesome with their packaging and stuff. They always send you a lollipop. A huge thank you to those guys. I can't thank them enough. So here's my stock 10R80. I have to ship that back to RSA. That's my core. But as you can see, this is the only section that was good. Tips and the tailpipes. And this is the bad stuff. Yeah. Absolutely destroyed. And as you can see, the clamps are on there. They're tight. Yeah, it's pretty mangled. Like I said, I'm lucky nobody was hurt. My car's okay. Here's the old H-pipe. Not pretty, but it worked. Yeah. It's done. Here's the new stuff. Let's jack it up and get it on. All right, I'm gonna crawl my fat ass under here. Show you guys what I'm working with right now. You can actually see the Viking shocks and the BMR drag springs. Looking good. All right. So, that's what I'm rocking with right now. Yeah, not the best. So I'm hoping everything just bolts right on. We will see. Wish me luck. So obviously this is just mocked up here, but that was the problem before. We could not get a 3.5-inch H-pipe to mat up to the Hellion stuff. So these guys sent me the brand new full 3-inch H-pipe for the S650, which is obviously interchangeable. So they will be offering this very soon, which is awesome. So I think this is going to work out really, really well. I'm going to leave it loose right now and I'm going to make sure the rest of it fits up pretty good, and then come back and tighten it. Well, looks like it's going to work out, guys. I got the resonators, well, the resonated section put on, nice and shiny. It's all still pretty loose. I'm going to try to put the tips on and then straighten everything out, tighten it up. All right, so before I put the tips on and the tailpipe section, I'm going to be that guy, and of course I got to polish the tips. Looking a little crusty, but shout out to Autofocus Co. They make an awesome line of detail products. They sent me out this awesome box with all of their awesome stuff in here. Comes with their ceramic spray, which I can't wait to use. All-purpose cleaner, metal polish, which is what we're going to use today for the tips, and their awesome tire shine. It comes with a nice tire applicator and some microfibers. So big shout out to those guys. Go to their Instagram, I'll put it down below. Check out their website and make an order. Make sure to use my code CNARDY91, take 10% off, and it'll really give you awesome price on this stuff. So big thank you to those guys, and they're actually local to me and a couple friends of mine, so I like supporting their products. And let's see how their metal polish works on these tips. All right, guys, I just did one tip with their metal polish, and it is just insane how shiny it is. It brought them right back to life. Wow. Holy crap. So yeah, this stuff's legit. Definitely check them out. Autofocus Co. Like I said, their Instagram will be down below. Use my code CNARDY91 and get your ride all ready for spring, because car show season's coming up quick, and you don't want to run around with crusty tips. Well, guys, the AWE track exhaust is on, and I just cannot thank AWE enough for sponsoring this car, sponsoring me, and just another huge, massive shout out to Sarah at AWE. She went above and beyond for me, especially when my old exhaust falling off was 100% my fault. I was just honest with them, real, and I owned up to it, and they were nice enough and generous enough to send me pretty much a whole nother exhaust to put on the car, and I'm super grateful. So if you guys are looking for an exhaust for your Mustang or whatever you got watching this, please check out AWE Tuning. They make quality stuff, and I just cannot be more grateful for those guys for working with me and sponsoring the car. So let's take a look at it. So here we go. This is the track edition. As you can see, comes serialized, really nice plate on it. Full stainless, full 3-inch with the little resonators. And let me clear all up there real quick. Oh, come on. And there we go. Full 3-inch H-pipe into the 3-inch resonators and out the back. So why does this keep doing that? There we go. So there we go, guys. Really happy with it. It works flawlessly with the Hellion stuff, and I made sure this time it's extra tight without breaking the clamps. So hopefully this thing won't be going anywhere anytime soon. So there we go, looking good. Not bad for an idiot on his back in a garage. Super easy install though. All right, guys, I'm gonna do the first cold start with the track exhaust. Let's climb in this thing. It is kind of late, so I'm not gonna let it run too long, but that was the chair. Much better. All right, guys, so that's pretty much going to sum it up for today's video. Like I said, the roads are really shitty, covered in salt right now. I'm sorry, I look a mess. I was just crawling under there with that headlamp on. But yeah, I'm super happy with the exhaust and very, very much appreciative of AWE exhausts for sending that out again. And, you know, if you guys are looking for an exhaust, please check them out and tell them I sent you. But yeah, I'm super, super happy with it. Next video, I'm going to do a full drive and get you some sound clips of it when the roads are a little bit nicer out. And damn, that Boss looks good. I love that manifold on there. Looks killer. I do have a little something else coming for the top of this, and I think I'm going to be one of the first ones to ever have it. So I'll be doing a video of that. Keep an eye on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you should. Check me out at cnardy91. Stay tuned because I have some cool stuff for the Boss and new coupler coming. I got a bunch of cool stuff coming. A lot of cool content planned as well. So be sure to check it out. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Hit the like button. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of the exhaust. Like I said, I know it's just a cold start. Can't drive it right now, but next video, we'll do some revs, flybys, the whole nine. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, and make sure you hit subscribe for me. It really means a lot. Appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks.